Hi, today I'll show you how to properly apply Titan base, the base coat used under Festfloor Titan Microcement. This is a crucial preparation step that strengthens the substrate, improves adhesion, and helps minimize the risk of cracks. Ready? Let's get started. The most important thing is to properly prepare the surface. The substrate must be stable, load-bearing, and clean, and its moisture content for cement screeds must not exceed 3% on the cm scale. In the case of anhydrite screeds, the residual moisture must not exceed 0.5% on the cm scale and 0.3% for screeds with underfloor heating. Before starting work, the underfloor heating must be turned on and heated up according to the screed manufacturer's instructions. Then, no more than 72 hours before applying the Festfloor system, it should be completely switched off. Cement latans, anhydrite, other coatings, and all surface contaminants, such as gypsum residues, must be removed by mechanical sanding, and then by thoroughly vacuuming the surface. Defects should be filled with filler compounds, cracks should be stitched, and existing expansion joints should be marked, as they will need to be recreated after the work is completed. Weak substrates should be reinforced and strengthened by applying a coat of epoxy resin and sprinkling it with quartz sand, creating a solid and load-bearing layer. Before starting the application of Titan base, all absorbent mineral substrates should be primed with Fest grunt and left for about 2 to 4 hours. Until it has fully dried. Next, I prepare the base components. It's important to prepare enough compound to apply it over the entire surface, first in one coat and then in the second. I pour Titan hardener, component B, into the Titan base compound, component A, in a 100:10 ratio. That means 100 parts of component A to 10 parts of component B. I mix everything with a mixer at low speed until the compound is uniform. If necessary, you can simply add up to 4% water to help improve the material's flowability. I apply the first coat using a trowel and embed fiberglass mesh into it. We apply the base to the thickness of the grain, pressing the trowel firmly. It's important at this stage to make sure that all the mesh openings are covered and that no empty spaces are left. Additionally, although this is just the base coat, it's a great time to practice your trowel movements as if you were already applying the final coat of microcement. If there are any noticeable areas of tension caused by the mesh, you should slice through the mesh material with a utility knife and then cover that section with the base coat, and the base coat will effectively seal it. If it happens that you accidentally sand through the mesh in some spot, there is absolutely no need to panic at all. This is completely normal, and it can be easily fixed in the following stages of the process. Once the compound has dried, which may take 6 to 24 hours, I sand it with 50 grit diamond pads and then thoroughly vacuum the sanded floor. Next, I move on to applying the second layer. This layer is necessary to completely cover the mesh. After it has dried, which can take 6 to 24 hours, I sand the base with 50 grit diamond pads and vacuum the surface once again. Optionally, the base can be tinted in the color of the microcement to minimize the risk of discoloration in the subsequent coats. Once the substrate is prepared in this way, you can proceed to the application of the microcement. If you want to learn more about application techniques and best practices, follow our materials. Thank you and see you next time.